In today's video, first I'm gonna start out with my base coat, my Madam Glam's base coat. This is literally the only base coat I really use. I just love it so much. My Madam Glam's gel polish, the food coma. Ever since I got this polish, I've been so in love with it. Literally, this, I feel like I use it so much. I'll also be using a clear polish today, and then of course my Madam Loans gel top coat to finish everything off with. And then of course for my nail tips, I'll be using my extra long square nail tips. If you guys end up wanting to shop this set or shop any of my other sets that I have did, or that is on my website, you will be able to at liyahsnails.com and use code YouTube for 25% off. Okay, so to get everything started, I'm just gonna go ahead and get my nail tips out, file them down, and get them situated. Apply my Madam Glam's base coat. Okay, so today's nail polish will be the LA Colors gel polish, the CMP 742 Sweetheart. So I'm be using my Madam Glam gel polish. It is called Bubbles Troubles. I've been so in love with this polish like since the moment I got it. I'll be using this color and then also my LA colors that I mentioned earlier. But like I said, I saw a girl do this trick on YouTube, so I'm hoping that I'll do it right. Cause when she did it, they looked it so good, like her ombre. So I'm hoping I do this right. But I'm gonna give it a try on camera. So fingers crossed, guys, that this comes out right. I most definitely think I did a better job the second time than I did the first time. I'm gonna be using these flowers I got off SHEIN, and some of these little little circles to go in the middle instead of this silver, just because I like gold. I like the gold look more than I like the silver look. So I'm gonna kind of just take out a couple, even with the little silver stuff, whatever, and just set them down. I'm gonna use this clear polish. And I'm gonna kind of just, I actually do this ring finger first, and I'm gonna just go down on it. Got my my little dotting pen. I'm gonna put a little bit of clear polish onto that part, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start just picking up the flowers. I'm gonna do a small one, then a big one, then a small one, then a big one, and do it in that way. Nail Addict less is more polish, and I will have a coupon for all these polishes down in the description down below if you guys want to shop with them. Okay. Okay, so this is how the nails look. I still have to apply the gel top coat, but this is how they look so far. I think I did a really good job. This is really my first time attempting with ombre the way I did it, and I honestly can say that I really like the way it came out.